Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show how to recover or restore your all deleted Instagram messages or Instagram chats. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Instagram messages and then open it. And in this you can see my all Instagram messages or chats and then open it. And in this you can see me and my friends Instagram messages. So first of all, I can delete this conversation. So let's see. And then go back and then tap on please and then delete, and in this time I can choose delete, and in this time I can see me and my friends messages I can delete, but I can easily recover or restore these deleted messages. So let's see how to do that. So minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. And in this time I can see Message Saver Lagon apps. Please install this app and then open it. And in this time I can see my all deleted Instagram messages or chats recover or restore in this here, and then open it. You can see me and my friends deleted Instagram messages recover or restore in this here, and then go back. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted Instagram messages or Instagram chats easily recover. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.